So without a further delay, let's quickly get into the video and discuss May 2026. So how was May 2026 examination? As far as we concern about May 2026 examination, FR FR जो financial reporting का paper था, paper number 1, that was quite manageable according to me because all aspirants prepare for this paper because that is paper number 1 and preparation is decent, paper comes decent. So paper 1 was manageable according to me. As we discuss further, then paper number 2, AFM. So AFM, you know about the paper, seems hilarious. I will be quickly showing that how was exactly the question asked based on risk management, black scores, NAV, but the new questions on mutual funds. So paper seems manageable, but when you do the questions, some adjustment you find tricky to do and proceed. So paper was obviously difficult if we see the last 10-year papers. So one cannot expect obviously exemption in this paper so easily. As far as we discuss about paper number 3, that is auditing. So auditing may what happened exactly, those who have appeared for AFM paper, apart than those students who have already exemption in AFM, so their preparation obviously वो हिल गई है because of that. तो उनका जो mental state है after attending the AFM paper, वो कहीं ना कहीं audit पे भी impact कर रहा होगा because audit was quite manageable, paper comes easy, or we can say somehow moderate level पे audit का paper था, but due to AFM कहीं ना कहीं उनका जो revision में कहीं ना कहीं issue आ सकता है. Then as we proceed further, then direct taxation paper was quite manageable. MCQs are on easier side. People are scoring 30 by 30 in MCQ part in direct taxation because as we see that question which is of exit tax, I think exit tax where we do the MMR 34.944%, वो question directly comes copy paste from the book, तो 6 marks का question तो copy paste था and rest MCQ are also quite manageable. तो one जिसका पेपर अच्छा गया है, they are scoring 30 by 30 and जिसका पेपर average भी गया है, people are scoring 20 by 30 very easily and descriptive part also somehow manageable. The direct taxation paper was quite manageable. As we proceed further, IDT indirect taxation, the people assume that indirect taxation paper is very easy as we see the custom, the valuation, the whole part. Then GST may be apart than ITC, but this not happen in examination. IDT paper come on a tougher or we say above average side. So according to my review, and as we far proceed for the IBS paper, the IBS paper was easier than Gen 26 obviously, but it was quite lengthy because you are not most of the students are unable to attend the whole paper because of the lengthiness of paper. It was quite 47 pages paper. So our overall conclusion for May 2026 attempt, like AFM paper was quite difficult in group 1 and IDT paper, which is paper number 5, was quite difficult in group 2. If someone who has managed this two paper, then they will surely pass this attempt. Otherwise, those who have doubt, they must prepare for IDT and AFM as quickly as possible because after result there will be shorter period to cover each and everything. So better to cover not whole day, but at least for 4 to 5 hours to give study if they have some doubt. Otherwise, May 26 paper quite okay other than this two paper if we talk about the from the angle of difficult side or and otherwise. So this is all about the May 2026 paper review for CA Finding CA final examination, for financial reporting, for AFM, for audit, for direct taxation, for indirect taxation, and for IBS paper. Alright, follow more to know more about the same.